Let's take a quick look at the Finance Smartship in Google Sheets. So the quickest way to add this is type @ and then the stock symbol. And then if you scroll down, you'll find it under Finance here. And then you can add it just like that. If you have a table, you can click on this drop down on the right hand side, then edit column type, Smartships, and then Finance, and then you can see it just like that. And if you click on one of these, then you can search for that ticker and then bring it in just like that. So one thing that's a little annoying with these is they don't really give you a way to access any of the data out of this. I'm assuming that they may add at some point a way to extract the price, but at the moment the chip is basically just a way to quickly mouse over and view data and then be able to go to the Google Finance site about that. And so that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on Google Sheets. And as always, have a great day.